Hey these babies, it's Mookie and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you get all my videos once they get uploaded and you do not miss a video. Okay, so if you guys like this cute little wig, it's giving very much so baby doll right now. Make sure y'all stay tuned to this video. It was giving very much so Auntie Betty, but now it's giving, what's that? Freaknik Quiche. No. But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to this video so y'all can get a tutorial on how I did this wig and how it's giving natural. It's giving very much so natural. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all watch this video all the way through so y'all can see how I achieved this look, because like I said at first, it was giving very much so Auntie Betty, and now it's giving slayed and laid. It's giving curls for the girls. Okay, so yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to this video so y'all can see how I got this look, and also where I got this wig from.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I've already put my stocking cap on because I wanted to save time. I didn't want to bore y'all with putting a stocking cap on. Like, y'all already know how to put a stocking cap on. If y'all don't, then drop down in the comment section below and I'll show y'all how to put a stocking cap on. But it is a lot of videos, so y'all should know how to put a stocking cap on. But it is a little bit hard, so you know what? Whatever. Just drop it down in the comment section below and I'll show y'all. So this is the wig. Yes, it's giving very much so granny. But once I put it on, hopefully it don't give granny, okay? It's not gonna give granny. It's not gonna give granny. But I want to try something short, y'all, because I really want to cut my hair, but my husband is like, no. I'm just like, yeah, I'm not gonna fuck that. But yeah, this is the wig. This is the wig, but it's not gonna be giving granny. I hope not, because we're gonna go in with my boat hold active. It does me justice all the time. Literally, this is my favorite glue to wear because it holds so well. And you don't have to put that many layers on. Honestly, it really holds like that. But I'm gonna put like probably 2 layers. Probably 2 layers. Okay, as you can see, it does dry clear. So I'm gonna go in with another coat, which would be my second coat, my second layer. Okay, now that I'm dry, I'm gonna go in with Miss Granny. Y'all, and it's supposed to be 100% human. It better be. It don't feel synthetic though. It feels really nice and really soft. I did go ahead and tint the lace already. And it is a 13. That's the only thing that I don't like about this wig, is it is a 13 by 1. So that means it's only like 1 inch of the hair that's supposed to be, I guess, scalp. So it's not like you can part it or anything. So that's what I don't like about the wig. But other than that, I like it. I like the wig. I mean, I can't say for sure if I like the wig, but y'all know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm looking at my mirror down here, so. Bye, Mackenzie. Goodbye. Like I said, these ears is, mind y'all, my head is super big, so we shall see. If it's human, y'all, we shall see. Okay, it ain't no. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna take this off. And we're gonna cut this lace. Okay, y'all, I didn't forget that I was even recording for y'all. But I'm about to go in and do some little baby hairs. Like I said, it's not much because it's literally only 1 inch of hair, like this much of hair, and then you start seeing the tracks. But I am gonna just do a little baby hairs so that it don't be so plain. Y'all know I like a little body hairs and such things. So yeah, I'm gonna do some little baby hairs and then. Okay. Not too much on the baby hairs, not too much on the baby hairs though. But oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I am using the Got To Be glue. Y'all, sorry my kids is in the background making a whole bunch of noise. Just get over it. Yeah, but I do like to use the Got To Be, y'all. So that's what I'm using. It holds my edges really well. And it also gives it, what's wrong, Big Maze? It also gives it an extra hold, honestly. So that's what I like about it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this comb and just. Yeah, I'm gonna tie my hair down and I'm gonna wet it so that my edges, because as you can see, it's a little damped. But I'm gonna go in with these. What's this called? Eben, I think that's how you pronounce it. Eben Wonder Lace. Just for extra hold on these butter here. I'm gonna tie that down and then I'm about to wet it. Okay, y'all, so I did go and wet it, and this is pretty much what it's giving. All right. This is what it's giving. I like it, honestly. This little piece of long hair, I don't know. What's about that? What's that about?
Got piece on it, Mom. But I like it.
It's both on both sides. I don't know what that was supposed to be. Hopefully when it dries, like if my makeup was there, it'd definitely be giving, you know? But y'all tell me in the comment section. Hold on. Let me put some earrings on so I can look a little more hip or something. But yeah, y'all tell me in the comment section what y'all think about this wig. This is my first time being this short. And of course me, if I'm gonna be wearing something short, I'm definitely gonna be wearing big hoop earrings. So yeah, let's put these on. And like I'm going nowhere, but you know. See? Earrings make your hairstyle look a whole completely, totally different. It gives it that extra. So how I like it. Is it giving Auntie Betty, or is it giving that girl with the curls? Huh? Cause I like it. I think it's giving that girl with the curls.
Look at her. Look at her.
It looks like I just cut my hair off.
Look at her hair. I need to cut her hair.
No, you don't need to cut her hair off. I hear my baby talking about she needs to cut her hair off. Cutting the big dog hair off. Yeah, I think it's giving that girl with the curls. And you can let your curl fall into place. Or I normally wear my part on this side, so maybe.
Now let's do hers. Now her want to dance. Now why her just want to move? I got her.
And like I can part it anyways, but y'all get the picture. Y'all get what I'm trying to do over here.
Her wants to be like brownie. Lady K. It's tummy.
Y'all let me know, like I said, in the comment section, what y'all think of this hairstyle. I think it's cute for something summertime-ish. If y'all don't want nothing really long all over y'all face and stuff. It honestly look like my hair. Look like I just chopped my hair off. I tried to see if my daughter had a headband, but she don't have a. I think I threw all her little things away. But like I said, y'all could put like a headband on there. It gives very much so natural. I wonder what my husband would say. I'm about to tell him I chopped my hair off. I'm about to be like, I just chopped all my hair off. So yeah, make sure you guys leave down in the comment section how you guys like this wig. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. hit that post notification bell so that y'all get all my videos once they get uploaded and you do not miss a video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.